ever looked at a photograph that captured light in circles and the background was slightly out of focus, especially around Christmas time? There's actually a name for that. It's called bokeh. And I've been racking my brain trying to think, how could we create bokeh with watercolor? We're just going to start by drawing circles, and then we're going to paint those circles with watercolors. Paint your background. For added fun, you can dot black and white paint for rain droplets across your bokeh effect. And the rain becomes the focus and the lights are in the background. And who doesn't love a good splatter paint moment? This was really fun to paint, and you should try it too. I think you're going to enjoy it. If you want to learn how to do this lesson and hundreds more, join us in our Bible Art membership filled with printables, art lessons, and Bible resources for kids of all ages, where we're helping you remember the Lord in creative ways.